It's quite a moment in the garden, and instead of throwing vegetables away, I'm turning them into something really useful. Today, I'm making veggie scrap compost tea, one of the most simplest, most gentle ways to feed plants naturally. No chemicals, no waste, just returning nutrients back to the soil. So here is what goes into my veggie scrap tea. And I keep this super simple. I use onion skins, carrot peels, leafy green scraps, and herb stems. Here's what I avoid. I definitely avoid using any sort of meat, dairy, and oily foods. So here's a simple rule that you can follow. If you'd put it in your compost, you can also use it for your compost. Super easy way to make it. So I place the veggie scraps into a bucket and I cover them with water. Then I let it sit for 12 to 24 hours for a light tea, or even up to 48 hours for a stronger brew. And I keep it in the shade. I give it a gentle stir once or twice. And it works amazingly well because water pulls minerals and nutrients from the scraps without breaking them down aggressively. So here is how I use the veggie scrap compost tea. Once it's ready, I strain out the scraps and I pour the liquid directly onto the soil, not on the leaves. And this tea is perfect for vegetable plants, herbs, seedlings, tired garden beds, and you can use it on moist soil so nutrients absorb evenly. Veggie scrap compost tea is a soil tonic. It's also a gentle nutrient boost and it's a microbial supporter. It is not a strong fertilizer. Here's a quick important reminder I'd like to leave you with. This tea supports healthy soil, but it doesn't force fast growth. So what I do with the leftover scraps, nothing. It just goes to waste. After straining, the scraps go into the compost or even directly under mulch. The garden keeps cycling its own resources. Gardening doesn't always mean buying more. Sometimes it means slowing down, paying attention, and letting waste become nourishment. Veggie scrap compost tea is a beautiful reminder that the garden already has what it needs. We just have to return it gently. So if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.